everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make a mixed rice with snapper. As you know, sushi is very famous worldwide, and people might think Japanese people eat raw fish quite a lot. But actually it's not quite a lot. We like to eat cooked fish as well. Today I will show you the cooked fish dish with using snapper. And since the snapper is a little bit pricey, so we don't usually eat this snapper. But the other day, my daughter did a first meal ceremony, and I ordered that snapper. And in the package, there's two snappers in one package. So I used one for the ceremony, and I decided to make mixed rice with snapper for YouTube channel. And for make this dish, we season the rice with using soy sauce and sake and a little bit salt. And also I will add a little bit kelp, a piece of kelp. In this dish, we use dashi soup stock. Dashi is the very basic soup broth for Japanese cooking. And I filmed dashi soup stock recipe the other day. So I put the link maybe around here later. Yeah, so please check how to make dashi soup stock video before making this dish. I recommend to make the dashi from scratch since it's very natural flavor and umami inside. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so the Taimeshi, the mixed rice with snapper is done. So let's try tasting. いただきます。The rice is very seasoned with soy sauce, sake, and salt. And of course, dashi soup stock. It makes so different. So please use dashi soup stock instead of using water. You can taste the rich flavor from a snapper. It's a special meal. And today I put ginger, sliced ginger today. But if you want to add more color, it might be good to add mitsuba leaves or a long onion, chopped long onion. And I use ceramic pot today, but you can also use a Japanese rice cooker. And you can preserve this dish in a freezer. So I recommend to eat within 1 month. So how was the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed cooked fish dish with rice. To know more about Japanese culture, so please check YUCa's Japanese cooking on Instagram and Facebook, and also on Google search box. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. I put the link in the description box down below. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye. Enjoy fish dish.